Okay, so we're going to review this mixer mat so that you can slide it in and out from under your countertops. Silky on one side, rubberized on the other. Comes with a cord holder that you can attach to the back of your mixer, which I'm not going to do just yet because I haven't tried this mixer yet, but you would attach it right back here, wrap the cord around. So you can see when I put the mixer on, it does slide very easily. Not sure though if it's going to walk when you turn it on, so I'm just going to turn it on. Alright, with weight in the bowl, it might stay in place, but it did have a lot of wobble to the mixer, so I think I might take it off of it once I pulled it out from under the countertop, just because I don't want it to flip over or something.
Those who had the professional 5+ stand mixer, the thin, it fits pretty well, as you can see, and you can move it around quite easy. Also brought the product brought this mount to put the